It's been a little more than 6 months since Fotis Dulos' estranged wife, Jennifer, went missing. And now, Dulos, who remains a suspect in her disappearance, making this odd statement outside of court.
I wish Jennifer and her family happy holidays. And I just pray that they give my kids my love and my best wishes.
Jennifer Dulos, mother to 5 children, first went missing in May. Her home considered a crime scene. Her blood found there and in multiple locations. Dulos and girlfriend Michelle Traconis arrested for evidence tampering and hindering prosecutors in connection to her disappearance. But this week, Dulos' court appearance wasn't connected to any of those charges. In another case, he's been sued by Gloria Farber, his mother-in-law, over $2.5 million.
We're talking about a civil case here. A civil case involves money damages. It's a fight basically between Dulos and the family of his estranged wife. It's very different from the criminal charges related to her actual disappearance.
Farber says her family lent him money for his and Jennifer's home loan. He claims it was a gift.
By 2010, the relationship did not have any promissory notes. There was no obligation to pay any of the funds that was advanced.
Jennifer filed for divorce in 2017, but Dulos says he still expected her mother to continue paying out the money she and her late husband had agreed to.
You expect Gloria Farber, the mother of Jennifer Farber, to be giving you gifts, $14,000 a year, even after Jennifer is missing and you've been accused of criminal conduct in connection with her missing?
I don't expect anything. I know what the agreement was.
Testimony revealed that Dulos took Traconis and at times her daughter on business trips to Florida, Argentina, and Puerto Rico. Their relationship developed years before Jennifer filed for divorce.
You didn't pay any alimony, did you?
It's not a yes or no question, sir.
You think this is funny, Mr. Dulos?
No, I don't.
Dulos isn't expected to appear in court again in this civil case. A judge will rule early next year whether or not he needs to repay the money to his mother-in-law. But the criminal case is still ongoing, as investigators are still on the hunt to solve Jennifer's disappearance. The mystery started in the wealthy, tree-lined suburb of New Canaan, Connecticut. It was a Friday morning in late May, almost the end of the academic year, when Jennifer dropped off her 5 children for school. Surveillance cameras show she returned to her rented home around 8 o'clock, then vanished.
We love you, and we are doing everything we can to bring you home.
Hours later, worried friends called the police after she missed several appointments. Her disappearance sparking an intense search stretching across state lines, making headlines in the national news.
New developments in the case of that missing mother of 5.
Drones, canines, and a helicopter scoured the area. Her vehicle found near a wooded park. But key evidence discovered inside her rented home. The police affidavit released back in June revealed that authorities found multiple stains on the garage floor, multiple areas of suspected blood spatter, and evidence of attempts to clean the crime scene.
Look at the affidavit. It says blood spatter. Spatter. That's significant.
That affidavit showing that Jennifer was the suspected victim of a serious physical assault. Jennifer and Dulos had been in the midst of a bitter divorce battle. In court documents, Jennifer seemed to fear for her safety, claiming, in 2017, "I am afraid of my husband. I know that filing for divorce and filing this motion will enrage him. I know he will retaliate by trying to harm me in some way." Dulos strongly denied any threatening behavior, calling his wife incapable of parenting because she allegedly was taking antipsychotic and anti-anxiety medications.
I've seen it so many times, and every time it's heartbreaking. Jennifer said at the time the split started, she was afraid. She was afraid to file for divorce. She was afraid her husband would seek vengeance on her.
Little more than a week after Jennifer's disappearance, the first arrests. Her husband, Fotis, and his then live-in girlfriend, Michelle. That police affidavit in June found clothing and sponges stained with what appeared to be blood found in the trash. Surveillance cameras captured a man appearing to be Dulos discarding more than 30 garbage bags. Dulos' cell phone records showing pings in that area at the time. The blood confirmed to be Jennifer's.
Where is she? Where is she?
Dulos and Traconis appeared in court on charges of tampering with evidence and hindering prosecution. 3 months later, a similar scene. In September, Dulos was taken into custody for a second time and again charged with tampering with evidence in her disappearance.
There's not much here that we hadn't heard before, and I question the wisdom of these charges at this late date. We intend to plead not guilty to these charges.
It's an exhausting fight. I love my children.
Police seem very interested.
They do, but where's the murder charge?
Traconis was also arrested, facing that same tampering charge.
Remember that Michelle is presumed innocent, and she should be.
Police released a detailed 38-page warrant, complete with surveillance video, cell phone data, and DNA analysis, showing a trail of suspicious activity in the days following Jennifer's disappearance. Crucial details include Traconis admitting that she had not been truthful during previous questioning.
The detectives have slowly built what appears to be a circumstantial case against Fotis Dulos.
She had told police that she and Dulos took a shower together the morning Jennifer disappeared, providing an alibi for him. But she later admitted she did not see him that morning. Instead, police believe Dulos was at Jennifer's house, lying in wait.
The big question prosecutors need to figure out is what Michelle Traconis knows and whether or not she's going to testify against Fotis Dulos. The big question for the defense right now is what risk is there in making Michelle Traconis the key witness.
Investigators also say Dulos borrowed a co-worker's red Toyota Tacoma. DNA found in the seat of that car was matched to Jennifer's, something the police brought up when they questioned Traconis back in August.
She also was asked about why that truck was taken to be washed and detailed, and she told the police, well, you told me there was blood there, so it must be because Jennifer's body was inside that truck.
Jennifer's body still has not been found. Dulos and Traconis have both pled not guilty.
The question is, will we eventually see a murder charge in this case? And we don't know until the state continues to investigate and hand over more evidence.
For her grieving family, as the holiday season approaches, they released a statement encouraging acts of caring and generosity, adding, "Hug your loved ones close." Dulos will be in court again next month in the criminal case.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.